Are you ready to dive headfirst into the future of education? Well, buckle up, because today we are unveiling and exploring a breakthrough technology that has sent shockwaves through the education industry worldwide. If you haven't heard of ChatGPT yet, you're probably stuck on a remote island somewhere, but nonetheless, you're in for a treat. This remarkable artificial intelligence tool created by the geniuses at OpenAI has revolutionized the way we teach and learn. In this video, we're going to explore 8 ingenious ways that you can use ChatGPT to make your teaching experience more effective and engaging. Welcome back to my channel, Class in the Cloud. I'm Teacher Simi. If you are new here, remember to leave a comment below. I'd love to connect with you. And while you're there, remember to like, share, and subscribe. So, what are we waiting for? Let's jump right in. Number 1, craft captivating prompts and questions. Are you stuck on creating prompts and questions for your students? Well, why not take advantage of ChatGPT's extensive database and create questions and prompts that are both engaging and interesting, igniting your students' minds. There's no more limit to your imagination. Number 2, assist with language learning. After they've completed an exercise, why not get them to have ChatGPT correct their mistakes and help them with revision? This is an interesting way to explore the capabilities of technology, and at the same time, you can reinforce your students' language knowledge. Number 3, expand your own knowledge. Teachers are lifelong learners. So why not challenge yourself by asking ChatGPT questions about your own subject? Test your knowledge, discover new insights, and keep your teaching game sharp. Number 4, empower students by student-led learning. Turn the tables and allow the students to become the teachers. Ask your students to create a presentation on a ChatGPT-generated topic. It is a proven fact that teaching enhances learning. Allow your students to thrive as both teachers and learners. Number 5, enhance your personalized feedback. Take advantage of ChatGPT's feedback prowess. It can provide you with suggestions and help you to spot corrections in your students' writing assignments. Even though your input is still crucial, ChatGPT might just help you spot that error or that crucial part that you have missed, saving you time and helping you do your feedback more effectively. Number 6, access to resources. Let ChatGPT be your teacher assistant. It can create a treasure trove of teaching resources, lesson plans, articles, videos, interactive activities. The sky is the limit. Enhance your lessons and make your teaching journey smoother. Number 7, craft custom teaching materials. Say goodbye to generic lesson plans. Utilize ChatGPT to generate teaching materials that resonate with your students' skills, age, and of course the subject. Use ChatGPT to ensure all your lessons are a tailored experience. Number 8, elevate ESL learning. ChatGPT has been a game changer for ESL teachers. For more on that topic, subscribe so you don't miss that interesting video. But for the purpose of this video, use ChatGPT to help your students with language learning. Have students practice their English with ChatGPT. ChatGPT will in turn make corrections and suggestions on their language use. Use ChatGPT in your ESL classroom and watch your students' confidence soar. And there you have it, 8 ingenious ways to integrate ChatGPT into your teacher toolkit. If you have more ideas on how to integrate ChatGPT into the classroom, why not share in the comments below and let's inspire each other. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, we make these videos for free. So if you found this content helpful, you can always make a donation through YouTube Super Thanks. All donations will go towards us helping to make more interesting content for you. Until next time, remember to embrace innovation, keep igniting young minds, and keep teaching with passion. I'm Teacher Simi. This is Class in the Cloud. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.